Alright, so spell token. There's not a whole lot of price history for this, so I'm not going to analyze it on the longer time frames because it'd just be kind of pointless in my opinion. You can see we have this green box of support here that I've drawn from this low as well as these lows, and then we have this red box of resistance above us around 1 cent. If we turn on the Ichimoku cloud as well as the EMA ribbon, you can actually see that we're trying to find support off the cloud as well as the EMA ribbon. We've actually broken the 200 4-hourly EMA right here. When you see this kind of coiling up pattern, it's no surprise that we're going to have a pretty big blowout to the upside or downside. It's definitely a good sign that the volume has increased dramatically throughout this range. Some pretty large green candles scattered throughout, as you can see here. Since we have 3 levels of support here, the green Ichimoku cloud, the EMA ribbon, as well as the 200 EMA, this indicates relatively strong support within this range. If we break all of this to the downside, we're easily going to move back down on this green box in my opinion. And let's see, from here, that would be a 34% drop or so. So I definitely need to keep an eye on this range here between 4 and 5/10 of a cent. And you can see this if we take a fib retracement from this high back here to this low. We have actually tested the 618 level on the Fibonacci retracement. We really need to break this high if we want to continue this pattern to the upside in my opinion. But as of right now, we're getting support at the 382 level, which is actually a good sign considering that the 382 level is the opposite of the 618 level. The next area of importance is this red box here. We really need to break this to the upside if we see a move upward. Now this doesn't mean we need to blow through it. In my opinion, it'd probably be best if we kind of consolidated here for a second and then move through it. Because if we do blow through this level without finding any type of resistance, then what's to say we're going to find support if we come back down. So ideally, I'd like to see something like this, and then a breakout to the upside. But as of right now, we really need to break this high and continue the uptrend if we want to start talking about this red box of resistance. So much below this low here at 4/10 of a cent, we're probably going to go lower. If we break this high, we could very well be magnetic to this red box at 8/10 of a cent. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so as I post content daily. And as always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.